Yeah, that's how you be an entrepreneur right here. So you gotta hit the fruit first before you sell it, man. You can't just do it like that. You gotta cut the fruit for the people and do it like that. You just can't just sell it just by itself, damn, man. Give people a sample of the stuff first before we start selling the stuff, man. That's what you gotta do. You sample first, then you sell it. Come on, man. Just get it together. Be an entrepreneur instead of a businessman. You gotta do it like that, man. That's how the way it is, man. You gotta do it like that instead of just giving somebody a little big piece of the sample, man. We gotta do it like that, man. Yeah. Entrepreneur first, now tradesman. Damn. Entrepreneur, make stuff happen in the world. Make a difference in people's lives. Be an entrepreneur.